Ang aga namang iyakan ito. Wala pa, iyakan na kaagad eh. Thank you for everything, Mom. Before, I only saw sins in movies. When the man saw the woman of his dreams and the camera was solely focused on her, blurring everything else.
Ipagkatiwala ko sana sa'yo ang puso ko.
I carried so many scars, so deep, I never knew anyone could see past them. Naisip ko na baka hindi para sa akin yung marriage. And then you came into my life.
And that's when my monochromatic life began to take on color.
Alamat lang ba ang pahinga ng
Tuwing may nakikita akong isang lalaki at isang babae na ikakasal, nakakaiyak po. Because they are just expressing the love of God to one another.
Bago, di ako luluha eh. Kala ko tigasin ako eh, pero di pala.
Very good.
This is it. Got this. Thank you. Kamusta fit?
Ayos pare, inayos ko na yung oras. Hi Miss Kay, thank you for coming. We really appreciate your time.
You hold every broken pieces. You weren't afraid that sometimes that broken pieces could cut you.
salat sa kasanayang linawin.
Many people say that you are maldita. You no longer have to project yourself as matapang and palaban because I will be the one who's going to protect you and our future family.
Pakilala ko sana sa'yo ang buong mundo.
Mas strong siya. Mas strong yung personality niya kaysa sa akin. Ako yung mas laid back. Ebe!
Oh, ano tol? Kamusta pare?
Huwag ka masyado magpapagod ha, mamaya pa.
Alam mo, hindi talaga to kasama sa ano nila eh. Ganun talaga.
Oh, man. It is your time to be the best husband and father to our future gem girl and gem boy.
Noong ika'y dumaan.
Morning.
Anong
Congrats.
Ako hindi ko alam, basta naramdaman.
Para ano.
Basta
Thank you for everything you've taught us. Lahat ng discipline. Hindi kami abot sa ganito kundi dahil sa mga disiplina niyo sa akin.
Akala ko di ako iyak eh.
Ako din tabi.
Wala pala matigas pagkaganting situation.
My love, thank you for being too much. Too patient, to a point na nag-aantay ka sa parking lot for 5 hours just to make sure I'll come home safe.
no sa umaga kay tahimik ay dun ko narinig ang awit ng
Your love was so pure, so genuine that I couldn't hear any noise.
ang damdamin ko'y sayong sayo.
I vowed to be with you in building a home where it actually feels like home because that home is built in prayers for our future gem girl and gem boy.
Cody.
Yes. Wala iyakan.
Ganito pala talaga. Akala ko sa video lang namamanood ng mga iyak-iyak.
I couldn't wait to make memories with you. Memories that will make sense in heaven.